Have you been coughing for days? Maybe even weeks? And no matter what you try, nothing seems to work? What if I told you that one of the fastest, most soothing cough remedies might already be in your kitchen, sitting quietly in your pantry? Why do so many cultures, from Africa to Europe to Asia, swear by onions and honey for coughs? How can a simple sliced onion soaked in raw honey calm chest congestion, soothe a scratchy throat, and help you sleep better? And why do some people say it works within hours? Stay with me, because in this video, we're diving deep into the onion honey cough remedy, why it works, how to make it, how to use it, and what science says about it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare it the right way so it actually works, and how to use it safely for your family. Why your cough won't go away. Coughs can be stubborn. Sometimes it starts with a cold, a flu, throat irritation, allergies, dry air, or leftover inflammation after a viral infection. And while many store-bought syrups just coat your throat temporarily, nature gave us ingredients that actually target the cause, not just the symptoms. That's where the onion-honey combination comes in, a remedy used for generations. But why these two ingredients? Let's break it down. Why onion plus honey works. The science made simple. Onions are natural cough fighters. Onions contain quercetin, reduces inflammation, sulfur compounds, break up mucus, antimicrobial properties, help fight viruses and bacteria. When you slice an onion, it releases natural juices packed with medicinal compounds. These juices help open airways and calm that irritating cough reflex. Honey is nature's throat healer. Raw honey is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, soothing for sore throats, clinically shown to reduce nighttime coughing, especially in children over 1 year old. Studies have shown honey works just as well, sometimes even better, than over-the-counter cough syrups for mild coughs. Together, they're powerful when you soak sliced onions in raw honey. The honey pulls out the onion's medicinal juice. The mixture becomes a cough-soothing syrup. The combination helps break mucus plus calm irritation plus reduce inflammation. This is why many people feel relief within 2 to 6 hours of taking it. Who this remedy helps? Most. This natural remedy is especially helpful if your cough is due to cold or flu, viral infections, throat irritation, post-nasal drip, dry cough, wet cough with thick mucus, chest congestion. It's also good for adults and kids over 1 year old. Never give honey to babies under 12 months. Step by step, how to make the onion honey cough syrup. 1 medium onion, white, yellow, or red. ½ to 1 cup of raw honey. A clean jar with a lid. Step 1. Wash and peel the onion. You want it clean because we're extracting everything into the honey. Step 2. Slice the onion, cut it into thin slices. Thin slices release more juices and infuse faster. Step 3. Layer the jar. Place a layer of onion slices in the jar. Add a spoonful of honey. Repeat until the jar is full. Step 4. Let it infuse, cover it, and let it sit for 2 to 8 hours. Overnight works even better. During this time, the honey draws out the onion's natural healing juices and becomes a cough syrup packed with benefits. Step 5. Strain and store. After infusing, strain or just scoop the syrup. Store in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days. How to use it for fast relief. Adults, 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours. Kids over 1 year, 1/2 teaspoon every 3 to 4 hours. For severe nighttime coughing. Take a teaspoon 30 minutes before bed. For chest congestion, take it regularly for 2 to 3 days. Most people start feeling relief within hours. Helpful add-ins for even stronger relief. Want to make it even more powerful? Add 1 of these. Ginger slices, enhances anti-inflammatory power. Lemon, adds vitamin C. Garlic, boosts immunity. Cayenne, just a pinch, improves circulation and loosens mucus. These additions amplify the remedy's effects naturally. Safety notes and who should be careful. This remedy is generally safe, but do not give honey to babies under 1 year old. If you have allergies to onions or honey, avoid. Diabetics should use caution. Honey raises blood sugar. If cough lasts more than 3 weeks, see a doctor. If you have difficulty breathing, wheezing, chest pain, seek medical attention. This is a home remedy for mild coughs, not a replacement for medical care. So there you have it. A simple, powerful, time-tested remedy that many families around the world rely on. The onion honey cough syrup works because it calms irritation, loosens mucus, soothes the throat, reduces inflammation, supports healing. Sometimes the best remedies really are the simplest ones. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural, effective remedies that truly work, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Nature Life Remedies, share it with someone who's struggling with a cough, and comment below. Have you ever tried the onion honey remedy? Did it work for you? Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.